Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening Settings and navigating to Apps and Notifications. Tap App Permissions, then find Floating Window under Multitasking Options. Open Settings and enable Floating Window under Apps and Multitasking. Next, open the target app and request permission to display over other apps. Allow Display over other apps permission for the chosen app. Return to the floating window settings and set the default width to 50% if offered. This ensures the floating panel appears at a standard size on your screen. Locate the app icon on your home screen or app drawer. Long press the app icon and select Open in Floating Window from the Quick Actions menu. Alternatively, open Recents and drag the app into the floating pane or split view area. Drag the floating window by its header to reposition it on screen. Adjust the floating window to 400px height or 50% width using the resize handle. Release when the window reaches your desired layout for multitasking and quick access. Once the app is floating, tap the header to move the window around the screen. Use the corner or edge handles to resize the window quickly and snap to predefined sizes. Tap the menu icon to change opacity and set opacity to 75% for a translucent look. You can enable auto hide after 30 seconds of inactivity to reduce clutter. Save a floating shortcut to home for instant access to the app in floating mode. Close the window by tapping the X or swiping it off screen.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.